Hello and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you how to create this stuttered style glitched sampler effect. So what we're hearing there, we've just got a simple MIDI drum track playing, a synth bass, and then finally this sampled piano track. Like so. So what that is playing is a resampled version of this piano part here. So let's just listen to this part. Okay, so that's just a piano line that I've played in on my keyboard. The next step that I've done then, so let me just go back a few steps, we'll delete all these. So the first step is to bounce it in place, so to turn this MIDI into an audio file. So here we have our bounced audio file. Okay, and so then the final step in this is just to convert this into a sampler track. So head down to convert new sampler track. And here we have, just follow the settings. So we want to set via transient markers. So every time it notices that a new chord has been played, it's going to create a zone from it. And we're going to put this into a sampler track. Now I don't want a huge key range, so just from C1, which is the first key on my sampler, on my MPC, up to C2. So I've created that, and this is our results. So it will just create the sample track played in MIDI. Okay, so straight away you start to hear it starting to glitch anyway. But what we want is now we can actually play it through on my sample pad. So each pad on my sampler, or it could be your MIDI keyboard as well, will represent one of these cut out notes. So we can just replay it. Now where this gets interesting is if you want to replay the notes in random orders or by introducing stutters to it too. So you don't necessarily have to play it exactly as it was played before. So let's listen to it with the beats. And let's see what I can come up with. Okay, so let's just record something. And now let's listen to that. Okay, and then you can actually go into the MIDI as well, and you can alter this up a little bit more, so we can put in extra wrong notes. like so. Okay, and then from there we can apply extra effects, so it might be you want to put a reverb over it. There you go, that's how you quickly make a stuttered sample piano.